How to fix Snapchat support code C14A. So the first thing you can try is to exit the application, tap out of Snapchat, and then try logging back in. This simple action can often resolve temporary glitches or account synchronization issues. Now, if this didn't work, the next thing you can try is to clear the cache and data of your app. On your device, go to the Settings application, find and click General, proceed to iPhone Storage, locate Snapchat and then tap on it. From here, you can clear the cache and data by clicking on the Offload app. After offloading, install it again. This step can help resolve any corrupt files and data that may be causing the support code. The last thing you can try is to update Snapchat. Ensure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. This is because outdated versions may have compatibility issues or bugs that can cause support code errors. So just visit your device app store, click on the search bar, and then check for any available updates for Snapchat. Once your Snapchat is updated, the support code should now be fixed. So that is how to fix Snapchat support code C14A. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.